Hi guys, how are you? Today I would like to discuss about the how to make money freelance writing. Website, how much websites that which pays writes $50. Tried tired of writing of pennies or peanuts or whichever the client for crappy pay you prefer and ready to learn how to make money online for real. We're tired of it too. That's why Karen started paying for posts a few years back and why she upped her rates to $75 last fall. And it's why we upgrade our list of sites that pay on a regular basis. Below is the new and improved early 2021 edition of Make a Living Writing list of websites that pay at least $50 per post. What included and not. Rather than linking to the list we published last fall, we are posting a comprehensive and updated news list. We have added new markets we learned of in the past 6 months and removed sites that have categories of posts that are below $50. That's our minimum. In some cases, these sites keep it on the QT exactly what's what they pay. We are including markets where freelancer writing in our networks reports they pay more than $50 in order to bring you the widest variety of paying markets possible. We also remove sites that are not currently accepting pitches which knocked a good portion of the writing focused sites off. Sites where you only have a shot of and earning $50 writing on spec or based on traffic or ads clicks are not included. This is a list of markets offering guaranteed pay only. The list run the guns of topics from parenting and writing to business and writing. So there should be something here for everyone. And don't forget, if you are really ready to supercharge your freelance writing, so the career is over 300 hours of no demand bootcamp trainings you can access 24 hours 7 plus an exclusive community of 1500 plus members sharing valuable advice day in and day out. There is also a members only jobs grown with new opportunities to make money writing posts regular so you can take your career to the next level. As always, we appreciate any corrections or additions. Please post them in the comments. Here's the list. Business, career and finance.